Hello, today we're going to go over how to optimize your Everydoor direct mail campaign. So once you're on everydoordirectmail.com, simply click the green Start Your Campaign button, and now you'll be prompted to enter some quick information about your targeted area as well as your campaign. So to start, first enter a zip code or an address in your targeted area, and then you'll be able to select your budget as well as your general business service area. And then finally, you'll select who should see and receive your ads by applying up to 3 demographic filters. And after you do this, once you click the next button, you'll be shown a short video explaining how to interpret the heat map of your local market.
Now you'll see a heat map of your local market. The red and orange areas have the highest match rates to your target audience. To make it easy, our technology automatically pre-selects the top matches for you. You'll see them as green areas on the map. Then you can add or remove additional areas by clicking on them. Simply customize your map, then click the Save and Continue button.
So now you can see your personalized heat map, and over here your selection summary, which shows the total mailboxes you'll be able to reach with your direct mail campaign, as well as your potential digital reach. So just click Save and Continue, name your map, and now you'll be able to choose your postcard size. So select this, or whatever size you would like, and then choose your design. So that's just how you would want to create your postcard. You can upload your own, use our free design tool, or have one of our design specialists make a custom one for you. So after you select that, just select your delivery window as well as your return address, and then save. And now you'll be given the option to supercharge your Everydoor direct mail campaign with optional matching digital ads. And while you know direct mail is a powerful standalone tool, adding a digital component to your marketing campaign can boost your results by up to 38%, as it actually takes 7 impressions on a customer to influence the modern purchase decision. So if you do choose to optimize your direct mail campaign, you have the option to choose between 3 packages: the basic, premium, and the ultra. The basic will advertise with digital billboards on Google's vast network. The premium will supercharge your direct mail campaign with Facebook and Google ads, and the Ultra will launch a high-powered digital advertising blitz designed to generate the max results. If you want additional details on each one of the packages, just click View Detail underneath, and you'll be able to see the specifics of each. And once you've decided which one fits your campaign the best, just click Add to Order and click Next. Then you'll see all your selected channels, be given the option to power up your campaign, and then after that you're all done. You'll be taken to your shopping cart where you'll just enter your payment information, and your campaign will be all ready to get started.